Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Muhammad Azim and welcome to ReadyForex.com live Elliot Wave analysis, and need to close some of these things over here. Okay, let me wait for the other participants to join the session. So, I want to make sure that you guys could easily manage to see my computer screen as well. So I'm going to give it a few seconds time. Hopefully other people could easily join. And then from that point we move forward. Okay, let me see how you guys easily managed to see the computer screen. And there was some issue you were saying about the lag, that you can't hear my voice. So if you guys clearly manage to see my computer screen, just inside the comment box or the chat box. Okay, good. Thanks for the okay, good. Let's get started and let's continue further. So regarding the euro dollar currency pair, the trend is up inside euro USD currency pair. Let's go back to the analysis. So this is the trade I've taken with a 2 pips log profit. Okay, let's go over to the chart. So regarding the US dollar index, the trend is down inside US dollar index, the DX over here, and I expect the price action to drop more. Same goes with the euro USD. Regarding the euro dollar currency pair, let me show you the Elliott wave count. We got this Elliott wave count. This is wave A, B and C. So this looks like to me we got a zigzag, and the chances are high price action is probably going to rise up further. Okay, next let us go over to daily chart of GBPUSD currency pair. The trend is up inside GBPUSD, the pound dollar. It looks bullish, and I expect further upside in GBPUSD currency pair. Right now you see we got this round number over here at 1.3600 level. So the chances are high that the GBPUSD is continue the rise. I expect more upside in pound dollar. If you go over to a 4-hour time frame, we have the resistance level, which was previously working as a support at 1.3716 level. So right now price action actually tested this level. However, the way I see, we want price action to close a bullish candlestick above 1.3716 level. If this thing happens, then I think we could get further upside. Now there is another wave count which suggests that price action is going to drop more, and that bearish wave count is only going to work if market is going to break below the support level. Now this was the bearish trend channel right over here inside GBPUSD currency pair 30 minutes time frame. Okay, right over here. So we got a bullish breakout, and it looks quite possible that price action is going to continue the rise. Now let us take a look at important key resistance level. And if market is going to break this level, then the chances are high, the probability is going to increase that GBP USD is going to rise up even further. So 1.3703, that's the level. Let me write it down over here. 1.37. Okay, here it is. 1.3703, this is the level inside GBP USD currency pair 30 minutes time frame. So if we do get a bullish breakout above 1.3703 level, the chances are high that price action is going to rise up more. Next, let us take a look at AUDUSD currency pair, Aussie dollar, a daily time frame. Regarding the AUDUSD currency pair, this white color highlighted area basically suggests that price action is showing us the wave number 5. Okay, let me write it down so it becomes much easy for you to notice. So to me, this is wave number 5 going on over here, and it seems to me wave 5, number 5 is still in progress. It's not over. Okay. Next, let us go over to a 1 hour time frame of AUD USD currency pair. So Australian dollar versus US dollar. Now basically price action showed us some pullback or a spike, I would say, just a false breakout in my opinion. Now if we do get a bearish candlestick close below 0.6542 level, then this is telling me the market is probably doesn't want to go up. So if we do get a bearish candlestick close over here below 1.6542 level, then we could expect further weakness in price action of Aussie dollar currency pair. Okay. Now usually I've noticed that if you get a bullish leg in Aussie dollar currency pair, you also get a bullish leg inside Euro dollar currency pair. Now let me draw a trend line over here. Let's draw a trend line in Euro USD. This looks like, to me, we got this bullish trend channel over here. Let me change the parameter. Instead of using ray, we could use, okay, this is, I think the blue one would be fine. So price action basically tested this trend line over here, and the whole thing could collapse and market could fall back down. This looks quite possible inside Euro dollar currency pair. And if Euro dollar is going down, then also expect a decline inside AUD USD currency pair, NZDUSD currency pair, and pound dollar currency pair as well. Okay, but right now I was showing you earlier the US dollar index. The trend is down in US dollar index. If US dollar index is going to change the trend, then in that scenario we should get a bullish breakout above 97.34 price level inside US dollar index. If we do not get such a bullish breakout, then it means the trend is still down, and I expect further weakness in price action of US dollar index. Okay, next let's take a look at NZDUSD currency pair, New Zealand dollar versus United States dollar currency pair. Right now market tried to drop below 0.6035 level. Okay, but we only got a spike over here, and I'm basically expecting the action to rise up more towards 0.6129 area inside New Zealand dollar versus US dollar trading instrument. So the forecast is bullish. However, in order to make money, obviously obviously you need a trading strategy. You need to have some kind of a trading method to trade the market, because forecasting the market is different and trading the market is different. Okay. Next, let us take a look at US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Okay, US dollar Swiss franc daily time frame, nice downtrend going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. This is a bearish wave formation. It's an impulse wave, and wave 5 looks incomplete. It's not over. Okay, so let's go over to a 4-hour time frame. Now inside 4-hour time frame, we have this resistance level over here at 0.7993 area. So if market really wants to change the trend, then we should get a bullish candle close above 0.7993 area. Otherwise, it is still a downtrend, and price action could still go lower. Okay. Now let us go over to a 1-hour time frame of US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Okay, 1-hour chart, same story, 0.7984. So we only got a spike over here. This market is full of false breakout, I must tell you. A lot of times what looks like a candlestick close turns out to be some kind of a false breakout or a head fake. Okay, so these false breakouts, they are quite common. That is the reason why I always wait for 2 to 3 candlesticks close against a support or a resistance level. So the US dollar Swiss franc, the trend is down, it looks bearish. Next one is the spot gold, XAUUSD pair daily time frame, and the spot gold is going sideways. So far, the way I see, XAUUSD currency pair is going sideways. The overall trend is bullish inside spot gold, and I expect further upside. Okay. Next, let us take a look at a 4-hour time frame. So regarding the 4-hour chart of XAUUSD pair, the way I see price action is probably trying to drop over here. Okay. So it seems to me market is going to move a little bit sideways over here, and then the chances are that XAUUSD currency pair is going to drop towards 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level. Okay. Next, let us take a look at US dollar CAD currency pair weekly time frame. The overall trend is bearish right now, and market is trying to hit this buy zone area. We have some support over here at 1.3515 level. The another one is down over here at 1.3414 in USDCAD currency pair. Okay, so this looks like to me the trend is down inside USDCAD currency pair. Next, let us take a look at daily chart of USDCAD. Let's go to the daily. So daily is actually going sideways. Let me show you a box over here. This is a sideways area. Overall, USDCAD is moving inside a trading range, and it's quite possible that market is going to remain like this for 24 hours more, or maybe on Monday or Tuesday we get an actual breakout to the upside or to the downside. So it's a range bound market, and a good idea is to play the trading range, use a sideways trading strategy. If you do not have a trading strategy, sideways trading strategy, do not know it, just visit my website. Next, let us take a look at US dollar yen currency pair. The trend is down inside USDJPY currency pair daily time frame, and I expect further weakness in price action. Now, right now, USD yen is trying to rise up a little bit. Okay, so we will see how it goes. This is the expectation. I was expecting the price action to hit the 100% Fibonacci expansion level and then start the decline. So far we got the decline, but this decline is not enough. So we need more, bearish leg to the downside. Okay, let's go back to the Euro USD, where it is. So right now the trailing stop survived over here. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to type inside the chat box, and I will be happy to answer your questions related to Elliot Wave Analysis and Forex Forecast. Regarding the Euro USD currency pair, this looks like to me quite a a sideways type situation over here. Price action is moving up, but we are also getting pullbacks along the way. Maybe euro dollar doesn't want to go up, and it might falls down and maybe prints a new low below 1.1716 level. If that's going to happen, then obviously I'm going to reanalyze the market in euro USD currency pair. Okay, so let's go to 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what's going on in the minutes chart of euro USD. So far it seems to me we only got a zigzag ABC to the downside. This is what we got in euro dollar currency pair. Okay, USD Yen 1 hour. Yes, let me check out the USD Yen 1 hour time frame. Go over here. Let's see what the rainbow shows. It looks sideways. The 1 hour time frame, it looks sideways at this point in time in USDJPY currency pair. The way I see, we actually got this as a zigzag pattern, ABC to the upside. It hit the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Let me show you this. If I remove this rectangle over here, delete. This is what we got, the 100% move right over here. Okay, so we got this 100% move. Not all the times market is exactly going to follow the Fibonacci expansion levels and Fibonacci retracement levels, but sometimes you get an exact hit and then market simply provides you a reversal. Okay, so you need to give it a little bit, you need to allow some kind of a little bit slack in the price action. Sometimes it correctly follow just to 1 pip margin as well, but sometimes it provides a little extra move. That's happened. That's trading. Okay. Okay, that's pretty much it for the time being from my side, and I'm going to do the next session in about 12 hours time when we cover the New York market session. So that's it for the time being from my side. Have a nice day.